Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is our second class. In our first class, we have completed this slide till the escape sequence. We have visited Python statements. There are some print statements and comments, and we have installed works IntelliJ. Sorry, I mean PyCharm, which is a copy of the IntelliJ. And if anyone is new here today, then just watch the just visit this class, and then after that, tomorrow or by this week, you will get everything. Okay, so let's start from comments. Okay, in Python, in our last class, we have seen this kind of comments, which starts with hash. Any question or anything, you can stop me anytime so that you can get clear if any topic is not. So we have seen before these kind of comments. Today we'll see different kinds of comments, which is multi-line comments, which is like this. And this line comments is called inline comments. So it is called inline comments. So please memorize all the terms so that it will be easier for you to conversate with other IT persons. Okay. So this is called inline comments, and this is called multi-line comments, or
Brother, I'm not sure about others, but I cannot see the screen. It's covered by the comment from this meeting is being recorded.
let me check. Can anyone see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes, we can see it, yeah.
You can click on the tab. You can see in the tab, you see a topmost
Okay, it's fine now.
corner.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, excellent. So this is called multi-line comments, or some says it is block comments. So both are fine. Whenever we comment out one or more line, two or more line, then we can write three double quote, start with three double quote and ends with three double quote, and in between these three double quotes we can use any number of lines as a comments. So that's why it is called multi-line comments, or another name is block comments. So there are two type comments. One is multi-line comments and another one is inline comments. Multi-line comments also called as a block comments. So both are fine.
Brother, I have a question.
Yes.
So like you told in the last class that if like we put a hashtag in front of any line, so that will be ignored, right? By
Yes, by the Python. So Python will not read or will not obey this or will not complete this command.
Yeah, makes sense. So, but like we still called, but in case of multi-line comments, or I mean, of course, Python will read that, right? Because it's in the inverted commas.
Yes, Python, because it is it is look like a string. I mean, in our print statements, we have seen that this kind of string is available. Let me go to the code so that it will be easier. So let me create another folder for today's class. It will be class 2, and it will be escape sequence. Escape sequence, comments, and variables. And inside this class, we have one Python file which name comments advance. So we see here, so if we write here inline comments, this is inline comments, and this is multi-line comments. How we can write multi-line comments? With three double quote. Then enter. So I entered, and it automatically create the line number 5, and it shows line 1, and my cursor is just left side of line L, and now I'm going to hit tab from my keyboard. So I'm pressing tab, so it says tab, press tab to complete, right? So I'm going to press tab, then it completed line 1 and line 2. So now I can write here, this is my block comments, this is its second line, then another line 3 is third line, and I press tab, so it automatically create all these lines. We do not need the line 1 or line 2, line 3, but it as it is. The word, okay, it's a spell check, it's a possible typo, you repeated a word, okay. So it is I mean telling me some suggestions. So it's a very nice IDE. It is our friend and it helps us a lot. So as I write multiple time of same type of word, so it actually does not like. So this is another type of comment, which is a block comments or multi-line comments. This block comments is very much similar to in our last class, what we have in our last class, 3 dots, and then we write multiple lines. So which is very similar to these. So my first line, second line. Okay, I hit escape sequence, escape. Suppose I press line, and then it is suggesting me, do you want to complete the line and go to the third line so that Python can write you a third line for you, so that you don't need to write by your own hand third line. If I press tab, then it will, I press tab, and then it will complete the third line writing, and put the cursor after the line E letter, so that I can write something whatever I want. So it is very intelligent, and this feature is called IntelliSense. SENSE. IntelliSense. Maybe I misspelled that. IntelliSense. So some IDEs are more intelligent in sense, so that they know what the programmer is going to write in the next line, so that they can complete the line automatically. So it helps a lot for the programmer. I mean for everyone who wants to write any program, right? So this feature is called IntelliSense of any IDE. In Microsoft Word, some features are there. Amazing feature. What are those? Right, spell check. It helps us a lot. It saves us huge time, right? So same thing in IDE, in IntelliJ or PyCharm. We are using PyCharm, so but there are so many IDEs. Microsoft Visual Studio, this is another IDE. They have this, all of them has these IntelliSense features. So we have seen block comments and multi-line comments, block comments or multi-line comments, and the inline comments. And we have seen look like multi-line comments, but it print the whole thing at 3 line at a time. So let's print here, do some printing here. Inline comments, and this is block comments, block comments, and this is block printing. Printing in console. Console, where is our console? Console is this, the black screen where Python write down all of our instructions, whatever we want to write into the window. Okay, I'm going to because IntelliSense is not a Python code, but it is a information for us. So this feature is called IntelliSense. If I execute this one, I'm choosing current file and I am going to execute this one. When I execute, then it will print in the console inline comments, and then it will ignore it. And first of all, it will ignore it because this is a comments for us, not for the Python or machine. So machine will ignore line number 2 completely, and line number 1 is empty, it is ignored. Line number 3 is for Python and machine. Machine understand this comment, these instructions, so it will print here inline comments. So let's execute first, and then as because there is the line are overlapping with the pane, and this is called pane, right? Pane means pane. Someone say it is tab, or someone say it is window, but it is also a pane. So in console pane, it is not visible all the lines. So but we have much more spaces here in right side, so we can rearrange our IDE for our better performance. If we have multiple monitor, then we can drag this console to another monitor so that we can have much more bigger screen and we can see more lines at a time. So then that will help us a lot. So once we go in advance, then we will see this demo later. But I'm going to drag by pressing this bar, this place. See, you see my mouse is moving. So by clicking on this bar, and I drag my mouse without releasing it, and once it shows the block in this area, okay, once it shows the blocks, then I release this. Okay, so now all the console output is in my right side. Also, we can hide this project pane at any time. How? We can click on the project folder icon, which is this. I'm going to click here and it disappear, and it is a toggle switch. Toggle switch means in the same icon, whenever I click, if it is disappeared, then it will appear, and if it is appeared, then it will disappear again. So this kind of switch is called toggle switch, toggle button or switch, whatever, toggle button. Okay, so pane, which one is called pane? This console is called a pane, P-A-N-E, pane. Toggle button, this is called toggle button. Okay, so we'll learn all the terms gradually, class after class. And another thing I need to, in our Python class, we need 2 monitor, 1 extra monitor with your laptop. So this suppose this is your laptop. Laptop will be remain idle here. Only on and off switch you will work on laptop, but in your monitor you will work the whole time in your monitor. This is your keyboard, this is your mouse, and this is you, and this is my Zoom class. So you see whatever I am writing here, and this is your working monitor. Working means you write here. So sometimes we say it is my writing monitor. I write here with my hand, and I'm not touching my laptop. Laptop email will be same, and I'm writing here. And this is placed in front of me, and my Zoom laptop, I mean the laptop where I see my trainer's screen, it will be on the side, left or right, whatever. Some person use third monitor, that will boost their productivity a lot, but this will be the third monitor you will see in the IT environment, I mean IT office. I mean not only IT, many office has this kind of setup. So they do not touch the laptop, they touch only the keyboard and mouse, and in the laptop screen their email screen is open or chat window is open, official chat, not the WhatsApp or Facebook, Instagram. So official chat will remain open all the time, whole day, and they will see what people are saying or asking to him or her. And his working monitor is this, and this is reading monitor. Suppose a very big document, so it can be a vertically, I mean it can be what is called, this is horizontally set up monitor, and this can be vertically set up. Some monitor can be rotated. So this is an ideal setup for any person who wants to increase their productivity. So in this kind of setup, anybody can increase their productivity 200%, 300%. By only expensive, I mean extra expense. What are the extra expense? This monitor is 23-inch or 27-inch, which is $150, and keyboard and mouse is another $50. So all about it's $200, and it will save your time a lot. Every day 3-4 hours it will save your time. Most probably 3-4, at least 1-2 hours it will save. So how much per hour cost in USA, per hour salary? So think about it. So your home screen also, at least, yeah, at least my recommendation is please complete this setup in our next class. So you need one external monitor, one external keyboard, one external mouse. And this, if you have this one also, then it will be awesome. But at least this, please complete. And another one is by notebook and by multicolor pen, so that you can make notes very nicely. Multicolor pen, notebook, 200-page notebook and multicolor pen. So this will be your Python Medici, world best Python Medici for you after this course. Okay, so please follow the instructions so that you will learn Python very nicely and quickly. So this is our class 02. Okay, so this will tab hide or tab, I mean pen project tab hide or project tab open. It will save your time, or it will show you
Hello,
the
Assalamualaikum.
maximum area of the screen. Yes, please.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Okay. Okay. So it will hide your screen. It will give you the maximum benefit. So okay. So this is all about the comments. Let's move to the next section, which is escape sequence. But before
Uh,
that, any question?
excuse me, brother. I just wanted to make sure. How did you
Move
switch the
the console. Okay.
console
So
tab in?
let me move it to back. So when you click on this area, you see my mouse move in this gray area. If you
Yes.
click on the gray area, do not release your mouse and move all the way to the right side. Once you see the blue block, then you release your mouse. Everyone, please try to do this. It will not be so tough. Please try to do this. Ibrahim, it is recorded. Okay. Okay.
Trying
Uh,
to.
try it multiple time, then it will be okay. Let's go to the escape sequence. At this point, I'm going to pause this. I mean, I want to create another recording.